Wakutana huyu.
Alright, then go ahead.
Yo, used to y'all niggas and lazy. When I was told I was coming to rap here, I thought I was coming to meet a rap giant. Evidently, you ain't the rap giant. This me later, I'm not replying. If you're a midget, big head, listen to me. The shit stays. In street corners, you give head. Why? Because you got weak legs. Motherfucker, listen to me. When I be talking, you shouldn't be chewing your fucking gums. Look at you with your back, head snap around the back. Let me tell you a little something. Nigga, I don't know you. You will know me. I killed you slowly. Because I am home. Motherfucker, listen to me. I'm going to deploy you back to Zimbabwe. Better call Robert Mugabe. Let me take you back to Harare. Motherfucker, you listen to me? Don't be chewing your fucking gum. Listen, nigga. Stop being your grandmother's pussy clip. Because you a shit. Nigga, listen to me. When I stepped down on this, I knew I was coming to murder. Because I ain't never heard of ya. Oleku, tell me something I can't do. Possibility, I'm going to tell you, yeah, it's possible. Tell you obstacles. When I come to you, keep harassing you, jack on you. That's going to be after beating you black and blue. Who am I talking to? I'm talking to this nigga KP. You don't know me. That's why I'm coming straight at you. Impossibility, it's impossible. Fuck your obstacles. Nigga, I'll put you down on the floor, get you crushed. You ain't never heard of me. I've reached my epiphany. You can get rid of me in history. Better you just be seeking me. Ridiculous, get used to me. Bro, at least they can join me from people who not calling me. My epidemic is an epidemic. Mixed rappers go see their medic. Insomnia is don't swear to you got medic.
Yo, time. Hey, manage time. Hey, put a reset watch.
Get the fuck out of here, man.
Time.
He's starting. Yeah, he's starting.
Kill it.
Man, no need to spoil. When his dad gave birth to him, his trunk looked like oil. Fuck that shit, I'm on that shit. Nigga, I rock up with Jay-Z, rocking up with safety shoes. Nigga, do us a favor, use some Colgate. If you don't know by now, it's too late. Nigga looking like the night. What the fuck, bro? Get up, look at me in the eye. Nigga, I can't see your eyes. Nigga, is he dead or is he fucking alive? Yeah. Tell me, motherfucker, do you have 9 lives? Nigga, you came back looking like Kunta Kinte. What the fuck, bro? You look like you came from Sudan. Do you even have a motherfucking mom? If she is, she'll be like, oh my god, that's not my son. Yeah. Oh my god, nigga, out of hell, man, you're looking like a whole lot. You're looking like you owe that shit. Nigga, you look at all that brick and come up here with your rhymes like, hey man, listen up and listen here clearly. Nigga, you should fear me. And if you don't know, man, I'm the nigga that you hear me. I'm the most daily. Everybody wanna hate me. And if you don't know, man, I've been thinking about you lately. I didn't even know your name. You're driving me insane. You're telling me out of this shit, you're out of better brain. Nigga, come back when you come with the lotion. First say the pops with the lotion. This nigga uses nugget as fucking lotion. It's about time you grow. It's night time. It's about time you sleep. That's what his mom used to tell him when mom didn't want to see him. You always used to get told bedtime. That's why it's fucking dark. And if you don't know, man, this is the stop and this is the start. Next time, don't come up here trying to tune your shit. Nigga, you ain't nothing but shit. Everybody knows that you're shit. And your homies who got bought you here, they're shit. Because they know that you're gonna get it. So next time you come, this is KP, bro. No need to talk shit.